Hey everyone, how you all going? Well, today we're out at Wentworth Falls in the Blue Mountains. Plenty of exploration to do. Right here is a fantastic view and it's just a massive canyon. We're going to go see a waterfall, Wentworth Falls. Plenty of bushwalking. Let's explore. So right now we're at the top of Wentworth Falls, right here, and we're going to head down and see if we can find the bottom of it. So currently I'm walking along a cliff edge. Got a nice rail at least to keep me safe. But if you look just past me, spectacular views and plenty of people walking around. I tell you, these stairs are so steep. If you look, they're about, say, good 30 to 40 centimetre drop every single step. It's time for the fun walk up the steps now. There's a lot of steps and it's very, very steep. Woo! So today I'm out at Wentworth Falls, which is located in the Blue Mountains. And there are plenty of bushwalks. If you ever come here, you'll notice that. Now why? Well, over 100 years ago, local towns used to compete to create the best bushwalks possible to attract tourists to their town. And what's the result 100 years later? Well, these magnificent views and plenty of things to discover out in the Blue Mountains. It's quite amazing, this bushwalk. All you can hear is the birds chirping, water dripping because it's been raining a bit for the past few days. And it's just so serene and quiet. And every 5 minutes you come to one of these spectacular views, which quite honestly, they just take your mind away from everything happening and you just admire the view. You know, I've always wondered if mountain water is drinkable. Let's have a taste. That's good. Oh yeah, it's fresh. Well, it looks like we've hit a bit of a jungle area, and as we keep going down, it gets better and better looking. This right here is Den Fella Lookout. It was about a half an hour bushwalk from Wentworth Falls. And as you can see, the sun's come out and it's starting to show the vibrance of all of the bushland down below at the bottom of these mountains. Been about, I'd say, 2.5 hours of bushwalking now. And all I'm doing at the moment is going upstairs, up rocks. And it's getting very, very tiring. Even though it's nice and cool and the fresh air is amazing, it's just so tiring. Who needs a gym when you got this? Well, it looks like we're hitting the home run here. We're about to hit my car. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. See you later. Bye.